morning, students. Today I'm going to start your chapter number 8, mensuration. Before start this chapter, we have to study one important table. So let us see this table. This is the main column. It is known as standard unit. Standard units are meter, liter, gram, and these are the deca, hecta, kilo, deci, centi, milli. The symbol are for the deca we use Da, for the hecta we use H, for the kilo we use K, and deci we use D, centi we use C, and milli we use M. So basic difference that for the deca you use D and for the deci you use only D. So when you move from this side to this side, we have to do multiply by 10, and this side to this side we have to divide by 10. This is the main table. We always multiply when we convert bigger unit to smaller one. It is known as BSM rule. When you convert bigger into smaller, you have to do multiply. When you convert smaller into bigger, you have to do divide. So these are the two rules, BSM or SBD. When you convert smaller into bigger, you do divide. When you convert bigger into smaller, you have to do multiply. Okay. Now first question is 9 meter. So I am right correct to here. For all of you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. For the table, you know, when you convert meter into centimeter, where is the meter? Meter you convert into centimeter. What you do multiply by 10 two times means 100. So you have to multiply by 100. Or when you convert centimeter into meter, you have to divide it by 100 because you have to move two times from this side. Now 9 meter, when you convert into centimeter, multiply by 100, it becomes 900 centimeter. B part, 3.1 meter convert into centimeter, you have to multiply by 100, remove the decimal, you will write here 100. After removing the decimal, cut 100 by 100, what you will get? 317 centimeter. All of you know how to convert. 1.7, remove the decimal, write 1 here. Now 2 digits are there at the back side to write 20 here. So it become 317 upon 100. Now come on C part, 804 meter into centimeter you have to convert. So first remove the decimal, it become 804 upon 100. Now multiply by 100, cut 100 by 100, you will get 804 centimeter. Now come on D part, 493 centimeter. So you have to write here for the centimeter, when you convert it into meter, you have to do divide by 100. So divide by 100. When you remove the decimal, when you remove the 100, so you have to put the decimal. It is 493 upon 100 na. So two zeros are there. From the back side you have to put the decimal. So your answer is 4.93. Similarly, these two part you have to do by yourself in homework. Come on the question number 2. Now this question I am making a standard table for only meter. It is only for meter, deca, hecta, kilo, deci, centi, milli. When you move this side, so do multiply, move this side when you have to divide. Now change the following into what? Meter you have to solve. Now 7 decameter. So deca you have to convert into meter. What is deca? Deca here convert into meter. What you do multiply by? Only 10 one time. So multiply by 10, you get 70 meter. Now B part, 9 hectometer. Hecta here. So how many steps you have to move? 1 to 2 step. It means you have to multiply by 100. So multiply by 100, you get also here meter. 5 kilometer, just see here kilo. Kilo here 1 step, 2 step, 3 step means 1000. So you multiply 1000, you will get here what? Meter. Now come on D part, 6 kilometer. So for the kilometer you multiply by 1000, write 1000 here. 9 hectometer. Hectometer you have to multiply by 100 by 100 here. 9 decameter. Decameter multiply by 10, write 10 here. So it becomes 6990. When you add, you will get 6990 meter. Now come on next centimeter. Meter you have to convert all the centimeter. So when you move meter into centimeter, see here, meter into centimeter, you have to do multiply by 100. So you will get 900 centimeter. B part, it is what? Decameter. Just see here, decameter. How many steps we have to move? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So you have to multiply by 1000. You will get 700 centimeter. Now come on C part, because we have to convert into what? Centimeter. 9 meter and 6 decameter. For the meter you have to do multiply by 100. So multiply by 100 here. And it is decimeter, dm. Now just see dm. Where is dm? Here. Deci you have to convert to centi. You have to multiply only 10. So when you multiply by 10, it will become what? 60. So when you add, it will become 960. Now 9 meter, 7 decimeter and 3 centimeter. For the meter you have to do multiply by 100. For the deci you have to multiply by what? 10. And centimeter is already in it. So write centimeter as it is. Just wait for a minute. So for the centimeter you have to write as it is. Now just simply solve. it becomes 600, it becomes 70, it becomes 3. When you add, it becomes 673 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come on fourth part, convert the following. Convert into kilometers. Meters, and you have to convert into kilometers. Just look at the table once again. Meter you have to convert into kilometers. So you have to move from this side. How many steps you move? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. It means you have to divide it by what? 1000. So just divided by 1000, it become kilometer. Now 30 are there, so put the decimal from the back side after 3 digit. It become, here you have to put, it become 9.364 kilometer. Now come on B part, decameter, and you have to convert into what? Kilometer. Now just see deca here, and you have to move kilometer 1 step, 2 step. So you have to divide by what? 100. So you divide it by 100, it become kilometer. After the 2 digit you put the decimal, it become 8.36 kilometer. Now you have to convert 1874 into meter. Meter we do first question also, na? We divide by 1000, divide 1000 become kilometer. Now put the decimal after 3, it become 1.874 kilometer. D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on fifth part, convert into meters. 963 centimeter you have to convert into meter. Just see one again table, meter into centimeter. Sorry, one again I am see the question, convert into meters. Okay, centimeter you have to convert into what? Meter. Now just see here, centimeter you have to convert into what? Meter. So you have to move 2 steps, it means divided by 100. So you have to do divided by 100, it become meter. Now just put the decimal after 2 digit, it become 9.63 meter. B part, centimeter, same, divided by 100, it become 1.24 meter. Similarly these two part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on 6 part, convert into hectometer. Meter you have to convert into what? Hectometer. Just see here, where is meter? Meter is here, hecto you have to move this side, it means divided by what? 100. So you do divide by 100, it become hectometer. 100 means you have to put the decimal for 2 digit, become 7.37 hectometer. B part, just see 1462 meter. For the hectometer you have to what do? Divided by 100, it become 14.62, because from the last digit, from the last side you have to put the decimal after 2 digit, so it become 14.62. Similarly C and D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on exercise 8b, today we have to solve some question of this exercise. Remaining question we have to do in the next class. So add the following: 4.846 kilometer and 9.642 kilometer. So before start adding, all of you remind this one that when we write the decimal number, so we always write decimal just below the decimal. So first question is 4.846. Now next question is, put the decimal here first. Now before here 9 and here 642. So you have to write the number in such a way that the decimal just become to the lower side of the decimal. Now simply add 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 6 14, 4 carry 1, and 9 and 4 13 and carry 1 14. So it become 14.488. Decimal always come in a straight line. Now simply add 3.675. Now write here decimal, 1 here and 732 here. Now simply add 5 to 7, 7 3 10 0 carry 1. Now 7 and 6 13 carry 1 14, 4 carry 1, 3 1 4 and 1 5. So it becomes 5.407. Simply you have to solve this question. Now the problem is that it is kilometer and it is meter, so they both are different. So first you make the same one, it is right as kilometer, and when you divide meter by 1000 become kilometer. When you divide by 1000, so they are 3 digits, so put the decimal after 3 digit, it become decimal here, so it becomes 0.793 kilometer. Now both become same, kilometer. Simply add, right here 9.403 and right here 0.793, decimal just below the decimal, simply add, you will get your answer. 336, 9 plus 0 9, 4 plus 7 11 1 carry 1, and 9 plus 1 what become 10. So your answer is 10.196 kilometer. Now come on D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now subtract the following from number, always you put first, and second number you have to put the lower side, but you have to write the number in such a way that decimal just become below the decimal. Now subtract 7 minus 5, you get 2. 2 minus 6 not possible, take 1 carry, it become 12. 12 minus 6, you can write here 6. Here what become 6. Now 6 minus 3, it become here 3. Now 3 minus 9 not possible, take 1 carry, it become 13. 13 minus 9, you get 4. So your answer is 4.362 kilometer. Now come on B part. 6.42 meter from 9.13 meter. So from part first, put first, this part put lower side, and in such a way that the decimal just become overside the decimal. Now 3 minus 2 become 1. 1 minus 4 not possible, take 1 carry, become 11. 11 minus 4, you write here 7. Here become what? 8. Then 8 minus 6, what you write here? 2. So your answer is 2.71 meter. Similarly, C and D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now multiply. 3.27 meter by 13 you have to do multiply. So don't worry, just do simple multiply first. You have to multiply 327 by 13. So what you get? 7 is a 21, 1 carry 2. 3 2 is 6 and 2, 8, write 8 here, and 3 3 is a 9. Now multiply by 1. 1 multiply 7, it becomes 7. 1 multiply 2 become 2. 1 multiply 3 become 3. Now just add 1. 8 plus 7 become 15 का 5 carry 1, 9 and 1 10 and 2 12, 2 carry 1, 3 1 4. So your answer is 4251. Now just see decimal, how many digits are there after the decimal? Only 2. After decimal they have 2 digits. So from the back side you have to put the decimal after 2 digits. Okay, decimal are after the 2 digit na. So from the back side you have to put decimal after 2 digits. Simply you have to do multiply 972 by 24. So when you multiply, all of you know, multiply 4 2 is 8, 7 4 is 28, carry 2, 9 4 is 36 and 2 38. Now multiply by 2, 2 2 is 4, 7 2 is 14, 4 carry 1, 9 2 is 18 and 4, 9 2 is 18. 1 again I multiply. 4 2 is 8, 7 4 is 28, carry 2. 9 4 is 36 and 2 38. Okay, now multiply by 2. 2 2 is 4, 7 2 is 14 का 4, carry 1, 9 2 is 18 and 1 19. Now when you add you will get 8, 8 4 12, 2 carry 1, 12 and 1 13, 3 carry 1, 9 and 1 10, 3 13 का 3 carry 1, 8 become 2. So your answer is 23328. Now decimal just check, they are only 2 digit after the decimal. Before, so you have to write the decimal before 2 digit. From the back side you have to write how many digit are there after decimal 2. So you have to write here 2 digit decimal after the 2 digit. So your answer is 233.28 meter. How many decimal are there? You have to check how many digit are there after the decimal. So you have to write the decimal from the back side. Similarly you have to do the multiply, normal calculation, and how many digit are there? 3. So write that from the back side. After the 3 write the decimal. How many digit are there? 3. So from the back side put the decimal after 3 digit. What I am telling, just do normal calculation. Now how many digit are there after decimal? 3 digit are there. So just write the answer and from the back side put the decimal after 3 digit, and is your required answer 196.575 kilometer. Similarly this E and F part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now the last question today, one divide 8342 divide kilometer divide 2. Okay, don't worry about to just write normal divide, or you have to write just like that one. 2 4 is 8 minus it becomes 0, write next digit. When you write next digit na, so decimal will come, so decimal right here. In this place you have to write the decimal. Now 2 1s are 2 become 1, write 4 here, it becomes 14. Now 2 7s are 14, it becomes 0. Now next digit, that is 2, then 2 1s are 2. So your answer is 4.171. So you write here 4.171. If you confuse in decimal, so don't worry, just write normal calculation. Now in your answer, how many digit are there after decimal? 3. So from the back side put the decimal after 3 digit. 2 way are there, write directly, or if you don't write directly, just do normal calculation. And for the decimal, what you do, just check how many digit are there after decimal 3. So in your answer from the back side put the decimal after 3 digit. It is your answer. Now come on B part. 18.162 kilometer by 3. So divided by 3, 3 6 is 18, 0. Now just write 1. Now in that table of 3 1 not come, then write 6. When you write two number together, so you have to write 0 here. Okay, Now it becomes 16. Now 3 5 is 15, 1 remainder 1, right here 2, it become 12. Now 3 4 is 12. Your answer is 0. Now your answer is 6054. Now how many digits are there after decimal 3? So from the back side put the decimal after 3 digits. Your answer is 6.054. Similarly, come on C part. C part is 18.14 meter divided by 2. So divided by 2, 2 9s are 18. Just remain the decimal as it is. Now write here 1 in the table of 2, 1 not come. Then write 4 also. When you write 2 digits together, so you have to write here 0. Now 2 sevens are 14. So question is solved. Now how many digits are there after decimal 2? So in your answer from the back side put the decimal after 2 digits. So your answer is 9.07. Similarly, remaining 3 part D, E, N you have to do by yourself in homework. If anyone have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now. In your next class, you have to solve real life problem and the next exercise. Your class is over now. If anyone have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now. But the important one is this table. All of you remind this table very carefully. If you know this table, you can solve all the question of this chapter. Meter also, now we solve meter. In the next exercise, we use liter. In the next one, we have to use gram. So all of you learn this table. It is very important one. Today class is over now. Thank you.